number 4.4 and the topic is product of integers. What is the meaning of product? Product mean multiplication, multiply. So we need to multiply. But what about integers? Integers mean the combination of as positive values and negative values. So when we have a question, find the product of integers, how to solve. Always understand the formula table, always remember the formula table, how to solve the signs with the integers. So we need to understand this formula table. Now let's see, we have a question is plus 4 comma minus 3, and the question is find the product of integers, positive numbers and negative numbers. Combination of positive and negative numbers are called the integers. So how to solve? Put the equality sign, write your number and sign in bracket, because we need to put the center sign, and the sign is multiplication, product. So we need to put the sign of product, multiply, and second sign. We cannot write minus, plus 4 multiply minus 3. Two signs with as same as it is. So we need to put the bracket and then you have to put the sign. Now first step is to solve the sign. When the sign will multiply, the rule is when the sign will multiply, the sign will change. We need single sign, plus minus, minus. So sign will change. We got the single sign. Now you can open the bracket, 4 3 times 12. Draw the ending line. So these are the simple and easiest steps for product of integers. Let's take another question, minus 9 comma minus 6. So first steps, you need to put the sign of multiplication with bracket, because what is the meaning of comma? We need to find product. It means you need to put the brackets and the sign of multiplication. Now minus minus plus, 9 6 times 54. Simple question. So you can find the product. Let's see another question. Let's see, we have a question is plus 4 comma plus 5. First step is to put your values in brackets and with the sign of multiplication. Product means multiplication. Then the second step is to solve the sign. We need single sign. Plus 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 plus, what is the answer? Plus. Sign will change. Then 4 5 times 20. Draw the ending line. Let's see, we have a question is minus 8 comma minus 7. First of all, you need to put the sign of multiplication with the bracket. Then solve the sign. Minus minus plus. Change the sign. 8 7 times 56. So these are the steps for solving the question. But when we have 3 or more values, then what will we have to do? Let's see, we have a question is minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 4. Let's see, we have a question like this. So first of all, you need to put the equality sign and solve the values. Firstly, you need to solve two values, two brackets, minus minus plus, 2 1 times 2. Then you need to compare with the third one. Plus minus 2 4 times 8. Now you can get the answer. So when we have more values, so we need to compare first two, then with the third one. Let's take another question. And the question is minus 5 comma minus 4 comma minus 3 comma minus 2. Let's see, we have a question like this. Comma sign. What we have to do? If the question is solve, find the product. So first of all, you need to put the sign of multiplication, minus 3 and multiply by minus 2. Now solve first two values and then second with the pair of 2. Firstly 2, then second one 2. So first of all, change the sign, minus minus plus, 5 4 times 20. Put in the bracket because we have two more values. Multiply minus minus plus 3 2 times 6. You can make the pair of 2 and then solve. Now you can easily solve this. Plus 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 26 times 120. Draw the ending line. So these are the steps for solving the integers with the signs. Use the formula table, but always solve the first two, then last two, then compare the answers, and then you will get the proper answer. Now take another question. Let's see, we have a question is minus 18 and we have multiply by 3 bracket close and we have 2. Firstly, we always solve the small bracket inside the square bracket. So minus, what is the sign of single value? What is the sign of single value? Plus. We always consider as plus. So minus, we need to put the sign. Write your question again and put the sign. Plus 3. Single value sign is plus 3. For your understanding, you can put the plus sign. Now solve. Minus plus minus 18 3 times 3 8 times 24, 2 on the carry 54. Now multiply with the third one. Minus plus minus plus minus. Change the sign. When the sign will multiply, sign will change. Now easily multiply. 54 by 2. 2 4 times 8, 2 5 times 10. Draw the ending line. See how to solve. Firstly inside bracket, then compare with the last value. Then you will get the answer. Now take another question. And the other question is, let's see, we have a question is minus 3 multiply by minus 100 multiply by minus 2. So we always solve the inner bracket first, so the remaining values are same. Minus 3 is same as it is. Firstly we need to solve the inner bracket. Minus minus plus 2 multiply by 100, 200. Now compare with this first one. Plus minus minus 3 multiply by 200, the answer will be 600. Draw the ending line. So these are the steps for solving the product of integers. Product means multiply, and integers are the combination of positive and negative value. When the sign will multiply, the sign will change. Use the answer. Single. We need single sign. There is nothing, there is no meaning of minus minus 2 with 5. So we need to write this single sign. That's why we will multiply and change the sign. Thank you.